Want to extend your weekend camping trip? Having a reliable power source is essential. By providing hours of extra juice wherever and whenever you need it, the Pecron S1500 portable power station is the most convenient tool to have at your disposal. S1500's compact nature makes for its great portability. With a 1,416 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack at its core, S1500 is capable of providing 1,500 watts of power to run a wide range of devices for hours at a time. Don't let an unexpected power outage add chaos to your life. In times of unexpectancy, S1500 can quickly change its role to a handy backup, uninterruptible power supply at home. With a high-definition LCD screen, users can intuitively observe the real-time status of the battery level, temperature, remaining hours of use, and more. The integrated battery management system will actively prevent the battery cell from localized under- or overcharging, overheating, short circuits, and it assures charge and discharge cutoff protection for your safety. S1500 supports 3 ways of recharging and only takes 3 to 4 hours to fully recharge through a standard wall outlet. With high-efficiency cells converting the most sunlight into clean energy, Aurora200 make the best solar panels for off-grid use with S1500. Without any noise generation or greenhouse gas emissions, you can enjoy your outdoor recreation to the fullest. No matter whenever it is or wherever you are, S1500 will provide you with the safest power supply and best grid independence.